Turbo Conquering Mega Eagle. Okay, folks. Right. I want to build my own mini bike here. Bambo. Can't buy them in the UK, or you can, but they're like $1,000, you know, or yeah, about 800 quid. You know, translates to about $1,000. I know in the States they cost about $300 for like, you know, a half decent one as well. But this represents about 90 quid's worth of bits and bobs here. So we've got the engine. That engine cost me 18 quid because it came damaged, so they refunded me most of the money. That's the engine. I resized the crankshaft, so it was a 20mm crankshaft. I've resized it to 3/4 inch, which means it can take the £30 CVT. Got off eBay. Everything else is off eBay, and we've got some sexy little twist grips, throttle, whatever. They're like peanuts. Sprocket. I want to go really, really fast and break my collarbone, so what I figured was this 32 tooth. Okay, so this and the CVT should get me to about 45 mile an hour, hopefully, which would be pretty cool. Got a set of brakes off Mini Motos, you know, just tiny little disc brakes. I'm not hoping to leave massive skid marks, but it should at least stop me from 40 mile an hour. We've got some kids quad bike tyres. These are fairly square shouldered, but I'm going to put them on rims that are too narrow, so hopefully that'll make them balloon out a bit. But they were nice and cheap. I had to get some tubes for them as well, and I've got some old lawn tractor wheels. I'm going to get rid of these tyres and stick those bigger tyres on. Okay, so first things first, I need to basically work from the wheels up again, which means building the wheels. So I'm going to pull these off, stick the new tyres on, get an idea of what sort of size they are, fully inflated, and then I can take some measurements and build a bike from the wheels up, folks. there it is then, folks. I didn't film myself putting it back together. Like, I don't really see the point, but you saw the manufacture of all the individual components. Building it up was just boring. The only thing I didn't show you was the seat. The seat ended up really basic. I wasn't going to stitch it like I did last time. I built a little motorbike for the kids. Awesome! What a sexy bike. Looks absolutely ridiculous, doesn't it? It should be really fast with this engine and the CVT on there. Should be pretty fast. Yeah, looks crazy, doesn't it? Let's have a ride and see what happens. Awesome. Okay. My kill switch doesn't work. The brakes are pretty crappy, and this thing's actually quite quick. Let's go for another ride. I need mud guards. Oh no! So much shit in my face. So much shit in my face. was a huge amount of fun. Yeah, it was very good. It's a very fun build, this one. Obviously loads of things I'd do differently if I was to do this again, as is always the case. The wheels were a massive ball ache, you know, using something with a small bore off the garden tractor like I did massively handicapped me. It meant I had to put the bearings on the outside of the axle, I suppose. Yeah, a lot of fun. Maybe I'll modify this in the future. You might see it again, but I'll definitely have a lot more fun on it, whatever happens. Got to fix the brake and the kill switch and a few other bits, but yeah, awesome. Alright, take it easy folks, bye bye.